Welcome everyone to this quick introduction about our new AI challenge that we are launching starting this 5th April 2025. This is a combination of a hackathon that is broken down into an 8-day challenge wherein you commit with a business problem or a plan that you will have to work with, and then you break it down into 8 different checkpoints and actually build a working demo and a product. And this is how we are trying to help all of you doing that. So sharing my screen here, this is the challenge. A little bit details for the people who are looking at this video. It's 10 days are left approximately for this challenge. This challenge is starting from the 5th of April. As you can see here, it's an 8-day challenge wherein from decoding data science you are going to get a scholarship worth $5,500. We are giving the programs as you can see in the price here. We are giving our AI for builders. This is a $1,500 for 2 of the winners, one male and a female, and we are giving one AI for executive. That is a smaller program for executive worth $100, and all the 3 participants are going to get $500 cloud credit. So it is much more than the price that is there. Coming to how this is distributed, we have kept 3 checkpoints. When I say 3 paths that are there, the 3 paths that we have kept is because we want it to be more open so that more people can participate. We have the LLM API path, MLDS path. If you're building any simple model or any simple things that you have, that also can be you can submit, and the no code low code path as well. All these 3 paths will help anyone to try to build a product. We are also looking at the innovation that are there. So the 3 or 4 criteria that we are looking at: innovation, what is the technical execution, real world applicability, and then how you are finally presenting it. At the end of the 8 days that are there, if I can just show all of you the checkpoints that are there. Here you can see all the checkpoints here, the 8 checkpoints. Day 1 is where you give the idea. So there is a template that is there. That template is going to be part of it is going to tell you what or how you need to fill this plan that is there. And then from day 2 the setup, day 3 the data processing, making sure the API is which API you are using, and then step by step you have the final review and deployment, and then the final submission that is there, which contains your working demo, a video that explains the whole process, and a PowerPoint presentation that talks about it as well. So this is something that we are looking at for your particular challenge. So this is it. I request all of you, we already have a good number of people that have participating in the challenge. We have around 60 people already, if you can see, are participating in this, and this is a very good way to learn and play around with it, because together is more fun. And you can also have a very good app that is there which you can use to do this challenge in a very fast and an appropriate manner. So this is something that I request all of you who are looking to be part of this challenge. This is the 6th challenge that we are doing in the community. We have done once we started doing in April 2024, and this is the latest one that we are doing, building AI application channels. So best of luck for the challenge. Do join in. There is a small fee for the serious people who are there, and look out for join the WhatsApp groups. Is going to be a very all the 60 people are going to be part of the WhatsApp group. You can join that, and you can communicate, learn together, and start working towards building a project. So what I tell all my community members and the people who I talk to, look at it as a competition with yourself, wherein you build a product and you are uplifting your profile with one complete project that you can talk about. And in the past, this has really helped a lot of community members get opportunities. Once they showcase their projects, they got opportunities to work and an internship. So this is a very good opportunity for all of you who want to practice, break in, or just add one project to your portfolio. Thank you very much, and see you in the next video.
And begin your journey toward AI-enabled excellence. Transform your AI strategy. Transform your leadership. Transform your future.